Good morning to everyone. I am T.M. Hemlata, Dean Department of Commerce, working in Ratnam College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to see recruitment and selection process in human resource management. So recruitment, what is meant by recruitment? So as a student, everyone knows after completing his profession, he has to go for a job. So in order to approach the job, the first process is recruitment. So recruitment is a positive process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the position which has been announced by the organization. This recruitment process will be announced in way of advertising in social medias, LinkedIn, and everything. So according to Flippo, he has stated that the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating and encouraging them to apply for the jobs in an organization. I think with this definition, you come to know that what is meant by recruitment. So we are telling that recruitment is a positive process because we are encouraging all the persons, that is the candidates, the applicants, to apply for the job. This gives the positive encouragement for the candidates, those who are applying the job. So the next one. Now we are going to see after the recruitment, after we are receiving the application forms, then we are moving to the selection process. How this selection process will take place, we will be seeing in the slide. So selection is the process by which we choose from a list of applicants, the persons who have best meet the criteria for the position suitable considering the current environmental situation, that is the context. So according to the environmental condition, what are the posts has been applied, that application forms will be screened. So that is the selection process. This leads to the final appointment of the candidates. It is the presence of examining the applicant with regard to their requisite qualification which is needed for the job. So that is the selection process. Next. So while we are seeing the meaning of selection, now we will go with the definition where Stephen P. Robin has defined selection is the process of screening job applications to ensure that the most appropriate candidates has been selected for the right job at the right time in the organization. Why selection is important? See, we should not talk about recruitment and selection. We also have to state what is the importance of selection in any organization or institution. So while doing the selection process, we are screening the correct application forms, that is a suitable candidate for the organization for which post we have given the advertisement. So that will take place. That is the first importance. The second one, we are determining the applicant's capabilities. Here, during the selection process, we are going to determine whether the candidates or prospective employees, whether they are having the potential skills to be doing their work in the institution or organization. So the next one, while we are moving to the next point, we are placing the right candidate. We are selecting the right candidate for the right job at the right time, and we are giving the posting. So that is the third point. While we are coming to the fourth point, we are generating information about the candidates. See, all the information pertaining to a candidate, those who are applied for the job can be screened and we can generate the informations regarding them. So while we are doing all those things, it helps to save the cost for the organization, because we are making n number of applicants to apply for the job in the process of recruitment, and if many number of candidates are applying, then the selection process is very easy. Within one time we can see n number of applicants, in that we can screen so that we can save the cost. So these are the importance for selection process. So the next one. So while we are looking into the selection process, totally we have 8 steps which has to be moved and which has to be followed in the selection process. The first one is receiving applications. See, after the announcement is given by the organization or the institution through advertisement or in social media, or between whether it has been communicated with the colleagues with a word of mouth, After that, so we are having first one, in that we are making that we are receiving the applications. After receiving the applications, the second step is screening of applications. So we will be seeing the explanations in the next slides. So receiving applications, in most of the organizations, the selection program begins with preliminary interview or screening. So after collecting n number of application forms, we have to screen it out whether the applications which has been received for the post is correct or not. So that is the first step. Then the second step, after screening, we will be moving for the employment test. So employment test is nothing but in order to know the person's abilities, skills, we are keeping so many tests, which includes intelligence test, aptitude test, proficiency test, interest test and personality test. So as the words itself defines that, we are going to know what is the intelligence of the candidate, applicants. So the next one is the aptitude. What are the things he is having potential skills? Proficiency, what is the education qualification he is having for the job? And interest, whether he is interested to work in the organization or whether he is having an interest to do with this profession, that has to be analyzed and test. And the personality test, here we will be going to test is attitude, behavior and the personality, everything will be checked in the personality test. After that, after all these tests has been conducted, we will be having the interview process. In interview, after the students as after the previous slide. In interview, see interview is the process. We will be receiving n number of details. Though we are having application forms and the employment test has been provided, we have to get valuable information from the candidate. So the interview process will take place. After the interview process has been completed, and we will be moving to the next one, that is the background information. Background information, while talking about the background information, it is related with the candidate's past employment, his education, whether he is having the potential for that, and the financial condition and also the police record, etc. All those things has to be verified before we are appointing a person for that post. So that is the background investigation. After doing the background investigation, we have to move for the medical examination. Why this medical examination is very, very important? We have to think whether the person is fit for the job with physically, that has to be analyzed. So the medical examination is very, very necessary. Otherwise, we have to make the persons to collect the medical report from the medical expert from outside before the appointment of the post. The next one, the final one is after doing all these steps has been followed in the selection process, screening, after keeping the test, selection test and interviews, and finally with the background investigation, medical examination, the last step is the final selection. After selecting him for the job, after screening all those things, and if we are identifying the potential employees, then the last step is the selection. So the final selection has been over, and after final selection, the remaining candidates, those who came for the interviews, will be listed out and they will be disqualified for the job and they will be sent out. So the final selection is done only for the persons who are potential and who are eligible to do their job in the concerned institution or organization. So the next one, now we are going to wind up the session. Before winding up the session, we should know what is the difference between recruitment and selection. While looking into the recruitment, the meaning for recruitment is we are stimulating the people to apply for the job. This is the stimulation we are giving in order to fill the vacant job position. While we are moving into the selection process, this is the next one where we are making the candidate who have applied for the job has been screened whether they are eligible or not. The objective, the recruitment is to create a pool of eligible candidates. Here objective of selection is to get the best candidate selected for the job. Third difference is nature. This is positive in process, this is negative in process. Why this is positive? We are attracting n number of employees for the job. So this is a positive aspect. Here selection, we are out of that n number, we are selecting which is the required candidate. So others, they will be getting a negative, they will be having a negative impact. So that is a negative process. the sequence. So this takes place, which one? That is the recruitment will takes place before the selection process, whereas the selection will be taken place after the recruitment. So with this nutshell, you can come to know that what is the meant by recruitment and what is selection. Thank you.